Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing. This is the Satechi USB-C magnetic charging station for the Apple Watch. This pretty much supports every Apple Watch ever made from 1 to 6 and mine, the SE. It's MFI certified, so it's certified by Apple, and it's pretty much the same price as a new Apple official USB-C charging dock. So yeah, this one does not have a cable, so this is what is sold separately. This is a simple extension cable. So I bought this because the Apple Watch came with the USB-A charging dock, and I really wanted a USB-C dock to plug in my MacBook and my charger. I'm trying to go USB-C for all my devices, except of course the AirPods Max, and the iPhone, but yeah, I'm trying to go USB-C all the way. And this one is neat. It has a aluminum case. It seems solid. So yeah, let's unbox this. All right, so it's pretty simple. Nothing else in the box. All it has is this protector here. So it does feel pretty solid. It's aluminum. So unfortunately, it doesn't come with the extension cable. You have to buy it separately, and you know, this is $60. So yeah, I think they could have included an extension cable in this box, but yeah, whatever. So let's open this. So it's rigid. There you go, pretty simple, USB-C to USB-C. All right, so let's try this out. So right away I can tell that I will have to remove the strap at least one side to charge this. Oh, let's see. So yeah, the magnets are pretty strong, so it won't fall easily. That's pretty cool. So let's bring my MacBook here and test it out. So it pretty much just sits right there. So it looks pretty good, you know, it's about the same color as the MacBook, so it looks nice. And then, but you know, with the solo loop, you have to keep in mind that you cannot, you know, you can do this here, which looks kind of weird. It'll work, but it looks weird. So what I'll do for now is just detach this like so, and then charge it just like that. You can see how it looks. So I've seen people use this with an iPad with a USB-C connector, and yeah, it will work. So it won't fall easily. I mean, it's the magnets are pretty strong, and I can use it with the cable here. So all right guys, thanks for watching this unboxing and first look at this Satechi USB-C magnetic charging station for the Apple Watch. Subscribe for more and hit like if you like the video. See you next time. Take care guys.